waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess.